Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel an Expedia booking. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is an online travel platform that allows you to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and airport transfers all in one place. It's convenient, easy to use, and helps you compare prices to get the best deals. To cancel an Expedia booking, begin by opening the Expedia website in your browser. Log in with the same account you used to make the booking. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to sign up and create one using your booking email address. Once logged in, look at the top navigation bar where you will see several categories. From these options, click on Trips. This section contains all of your current, past, and upcoming reservations. From the Trips page, locate the booking you want to cancel. Click on the reservation to open the Details page. Here, you will see all of the important information about your booking, including dates, times, confirmation numbers, and policies. If your booking is eligible for cancellation, you will see a Cancel option on the page. Click the button, and Expedia will guide you through the cancellation process. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Expedia booking. So, once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.